So you want to create stunning celebrity portraits, 3D cartoons, custom logos, or even ultra-realistic images? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys about that in detail. So without wasting any further time, let's just jump right into the video. So right now, I am on the website of ReCraft AI. So here you can see the overview about this AI. As you can see, we have different images that have been generated through this AI, and this looks quite good. So let's not waste the time and just log in straight away. Over here, you have to select your plans. In this video, I'm going to be testing this AI for free. So as you can see, there are some credit points over here. These credit points could be deducted if you generate an image. Over this main box, we have different options. For example, in this one, we have got multiple styles from which we have to choose any style according to our requirement. We also get an option not to add any text into our image. So I'm going to be enabling this option. Over here, you can just adjust different colors and background colors. So this is the main prompt box of this tool. Over here, you can write any prompts regarding your images. So in the free trial, these two options are locked. Like you can generate only 2 images per each prompt. So let's just check what ReCraft AI gives us for free. Let's just assume I have to generate an image regarding any specific movie character or a famous person. Over here, I have inserted the prompt regarding a famous actor, Scarlett Johansson. So I'm just going to select ReCraft V3 model over here and just simply generate the images. Let's click on ReCraft. So after a short wait, our images will be generated. Alright, so after the short while, the portraits of Scarlett Johansson are generated. So over here, you can just adjust the aspect ratios. As you can see, the details of the portrait are perfect. So over here, you can choose any resolution regarding your portrait. And this option gives you the best available size. So let's just download this image in PNG. So as you can see, in no time, my portrait have been saved. As you can see, there is no watermark. So that is a really good point of ReCraft AI. So let's just generate some more portraits. So I have given another prompt regarding American actress Zendaya. So without any change, let's just generate this portrait. So in the no time, the portraits of Zendaya is generated. I'm really happy to see the quality and the details. I mean, these high quality images and portraits you can just get for free. However, over here, you can see the credits are also being deducted. So I've inserted a new prompt. Let's test this out. So we got some new portraits regarding Tom Hardy. You can see how highly defined these portraits are. I'm going to be saving this image because this image looks really good. Alright, so you can see the downloaded portrait. The quality is top notch and the pixels are intact. I mean, you can see the pictures. It doesn't get blurred even if you zoom in. Let's just say I have to generate any cartoonic character with this AI. So let me just test it in that way. So I've inserted a prompt regarding a 3D cartoon over here. I'll keep the settings unchanged and generate straight away. Alright, so our cartoonic style dog image have been generated. So with this ReCraft V3 model, you can create any types of cartoons, Pixar-style images, sketches, realistic images, you name them. Let me give some more prompts of 3D cartoons. So I have given another prompt regarding a cartoonic villain character. Let's generate this. So our cartoonic villain character have been generated. So as you can see, the definitions are also really good. I've also mentioned about the background that the light would be red and purple. So as you can see, we've got purple and red light over here. I mean, I'm glad to say that this AI gives the best out of your prompt. I'm just going to be downloading the JPEG version of it. You can have a look into this. I'm literally surprised by the quality of the images, like so perfectly detailed. So let me give a prompt regarding a realistic image and test it out. I don't want to change the model because this model is best. It can give realistic images, it can give 3D cartoony characters, anything. Let's just generate this. Right, so the realistic images of the dolphin have been generated. You can see how clear and realistic these images are. Alright, so our prompt about realistic portrait of an Arctic wolf has been generated. I mean, you can see how realistic this image looks. Who's gonna say that it's AI generated? I mean, no one can guess. Alright, so let's just say we have to generate an image regarding any historic place. So let's just check that how it gives us results regarding any historic place. So I've given a prompt regarding Taj Mahal glowing under the soft light of full moon. Let's just see how it generates it. Alright, so you can see the photo of Taj Mahal. I mean, it looks quite realistic and quite good. You can also see a moon over here as I've mentioned in the prompt. Yeah, I mean, this variant looks much better than that one. You can just have a look about the generations. So let's just say I have to generate an image regarding any car. Let me give a prompt regarding any car. Right, so I've given the prompt regarding Bugatti Chiron. Let's generate this. Alright, so our hyper realistic image of Bugatti Chiron is here. Just look at this image. It looks so detailed and so mind blowing. So you can see the details of the image. Let's just check that whether this AI also designs a logo for you or not. So here I've given a prompt regarding AI Zen Studios and a logo. So let's see how it generates this logo. Let's just generate the logo. So as you can see, our logo is here. I mean, the logo looks really good and it's very much perfectly aligned. So you can also design some decent logos for your business models. So by now, I'm pretty much sure that you guys have an idea about how you can use this AI tool, how you can boost your creativity, how you can design logos, how you can design any 3D cartoony character, how you can design futuristic images, and also some portraits of different characters. So yeah, that's it for this video. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.